Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the trade history indicator. All right. So if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. All right. When you check the description below, you are going to find the link to download the indicator. Okay, after downloading the indicator, just head over to your indicators folder for MT4, and when you get there, you just have to paste the indicator file inside your indicators folder. Of course, you have to decompress the file that you downloaded from the description, right? And then you take the indicator file and paste it inside your indicators folder, and you get to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, so after doing that, you should find the trade history indicator. Okay, just drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then you can see the input settings here, modify according to your taste, right? So okay, so basically this indicator displays past trades directly on your chart. Okay, so in order to confirm that we have a functional indicator, I am just going to execute a random trade. Okay, I'm trying to test the indicator right now. All right, sorry, let me just open this, because as the name implies, it shows you your trade history. Okay, so since there is no any executed trade, we won't be able to see the indicator work. All right, so let's just view our terminal. This is a demo account, so I can I can do whatever I want with it, right? Let's view our terminal, and we are just going to close all this, doesn't matter. Okay, so now I am going to drag and drop the trade history indicator to the chart. All right, so as you can see, this is what the indicator does. So you can see directly on your chart, it shows you your past trades. Now we have closed the trade that we just executed now, right? But the indicator shows you that you actually bought here. Had it been I had made some trades over the past weeks, maybe over the past days and all of that, the indicator will help you to quickly identify the points where you executed a trade, right? Maybe I had bought here, maybe I had sold here, maybe I had sold here. The indicator would show you sold here, you bought here, and all of that, right? Just like what it did right now. So basically that is the function of this indicator. It does not tell you to buy, it does not tell you to sell. Okay, it doesn't give you signals. It only helps you to quickly see your trade history on your chart. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.